Have you ever wondered how herbal teas can contribute to your wellness? Well, let's dive into the world of herbal teas, or tisanes as they're also known. These soothing beverages are crafted from the infusion or decoction of herbs, spices, and other plant materials in hot water, quite distinct from your traditional teas, which are typically brewed from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant. Herbal teas encompass a vast array of other plants. Each plant brings its own unique health benefits to the table, making herbal teas a truly diverse realm to explore. Whether it's a fragrant chamomile to lull you into peaceful slumber, or a zingy ginger to soothe your stomach, the world of herbal teas is a treasure trove of natural healing. Now that we've introduced the world of herbal teas, let's delve into some specific types and their health benefits. In this video, we will learn about herbal teas to aid digestion, teas to aid us with sleep, and teas to help us to manage stress. If you stick around, you will also how to blend your own herbal teas. First off, let's explore how certain herbal teas can aid digestion. One of the most popular is peppermint tea. Known for its refreshing flavor, this tea has the ability to soothe stomach issues and improve digestion. It's particularly beneficial for relieving symptoms of bloating and indigestion. Now, let's move on to ginger tea. This tea is a true powerhouse when it comes to health benefits, especially for the digestive system. It can help ease nausea, vomiting, and stomach discomfort. The active compounds in ginger are known to stimulate saliva, bile, and gastric juice production, all of which can aid in digestion. What's more, both peppermint and ginger teas can be enjoyed hot or cold, making them versatile options for any time of the day. Incorporating these herbal teas into your diet can offer a great natural solution for various digestive issues. So, peppermint and ginger teas can be a natural solution for various digestive issues. Having trouble sleeping? Herbal teas could be your natural sleep aid. Let's start with chamomile tea, known to some as Spanish needle. Known for its calming properties, chamomile tea has been used for centuries to induce a peaceful state of mind. It's like a lullaby in a cup, helping to quiet the mind and prepare the body for sleep. Moving on to lavender tea, this isn't just about the alluring aroma. Lavender is renowned for calming the nervous system, promoting relaxation and easing insomnia. A cup of lavender tea before bed can help you transition from the hustle and bustle of the day to a restful night's sleep. Both chamomile and lavender teas work wonders in improving sleep quality. They're like a soothing symphony, inviting your mind and body to unwind, making the leap into dreamland that much easier. So, a warm cup of chamomile or lavender tea could be your ticket to a peaceful night's sleep. In today's fast-paced world, managing stress is crucial. Let's see how herbal teas can assist. Lemon balm tea, a citrus-scented member of the mint family, is a champion when it comes to stress relief. It's known to ease anxiety and promote a sense of calm, making it a perfect companion for those hectic days. Now imagine ending your day with a soothing cup of passion flower tea. This floral wonder has been celebrated for its calming effects. It doesn't just reduce anxiety, but also improves sleep quality, making it an excellent choice for stress relief. So the next time you feel the weight of the world on your shoulders, remember these herbal allies. Breathing in the aroma of a hot cup of lemon balm or passion flower tea, feeling the warmth seep into your hands, and savoring each stress-melting sip is a ritual worth adopting. Sipping on lemon balm or passion flower tea could be your natural stress relief remedy. Ready to create your own healing elixirs? Here's how you can blend your own herbal teas. The first step is to start with single herbs. This allows you to understand their unique flavors and effects. Whether it's the zesty twang of ginger or the soothing calm of chamomile, each herb brings its own magic to the brew. Now let's talk about flavor profiles. Just like in cooking, combining herbs with complementary flavors can create a delightful balance. You might pair the sweetness of licorice root with the tartness of hibiscus, or the refreshing coolness of peppermint with the earthy richness of rooibos. Finally, experiment with proportions. This is where your personal taste and health needs come into play. You might prefer a stronger dose of ginger for digestion or a touch more lavender for sleep. Remember, there are no hard and fast rules. Blending your own herbal teas allows you to customize your brew to your taste and health needs. Now, how can you incorporate these natural elixirs into your daily routine? Let's start with the morning. Imagine trading your first cup of coffee for a revitalizing herbal tea. A mug of peppermint or ginger tea can awaken your senses and set a positive tone for the day, all while boosting your digestive system. Moving on to the afternoon, when energy levels often dip, replace your second or third cup of coffee with an energizing herbal tea. Try lemon balm or a floral blend to avoid the caffeine jitters and hydrate your body. As night falls, create a calming evening ritual. A cup of chamomile or lavender tea can signal your body that it's time to unwind, promoting restful sleep and tranquility. Remember, the beauty of herbal teas lies in their versatility. They can be enjoyed hot or cold, sweetened or unsweetened, and at any time of the day. Incorporating herbal teas into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective step towards better health and wellness. So, how can herbal teas contribute to your wellness journey? The beauty of herbal teas lies in their simplicity yet profound impact on health and well-being. With their ancient roots and diverse health benefits, these natural elixirs offer a soothing pathway to wellness. They can help improve your digestion, with options like peppermint and ginger tea soothing stomach issues and easing discomfort. For better sleep, chamomile and lavender teas are your calming companions, reducing anxiety and promoting a peaceful state of mind. And let's not forget stress relief. Lemon balm and passion flower teas are there to help you unwind and find calm in a hectic world. Creating your own blends or enjoying pre-made ones allows you to customize your wellness journey. Integrating these teas into your daily routine, from morning rituals to afternoon pick-me-ups and evening wind-downs. Remember, each sip of herbal tea is not just a moment of calm, but a step towards better health. So go ahead and explore the vast world of herbal teas. We hope you found this guide to herbal teas for wellness both insightful and inspiring. Now it's your turn to share. Have you tried any of these herbal teas? Did you discover a new favorite? Or perhaps you've ventured into creating your own unique blend? We'd love to hear about your experiences and stories. So, don't be shy, share them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends and leave us a comment. Your support helps us create more content like this. And if you're interested in exploring more wellness guides, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and remember, your journey to wellness is just a brew away.